Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the brand new 2020 Cultivate What Matters Power Sheets. This is a goal type planner for you to write down, plan, and achieve your goals. This is like the fourth year I've been using the Power Sheets by Laura Casey. I'm also really excited about the changes to the 2020. I believe there is a metal coil that is gold. There was also a bunch of different cover options to choose from. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon to get future video updates for when I upload. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Just a little disclaimer before we start, all opinions are my own. I was not given this nor sent this. I paid for this with my own money, and this is my honest review and opinion. Our Power Sheets is wrapped in sturdy bubble wrap to help protect it. As you can see, it's not a plastic coil anymore. It is. So we got the 2019 and the 2020. Look at the difference. I love that there's a metal gold coil now. I love the Power Sheets itself, but I do like fancy planners, obviously. And you pay for what you get. You have like a pocket on the inside cover. You have your goal cards. You know all them things you always wanted to do. You should go do them. And then this is just my word of the year to write down and hang it up. And look, I love this. 2020, let's do this. This would make a good dashboard. Okay, 2020, clear vision, intentional goals. Let's do this. Hashtag Power Sheets. So it always starts out with the Cultivate What Matters social media handles. And then you have your best year is here, a little bit about beginning and starting your Power Sheets. Okay, so now you have your sticker sheet coiled inside your planner. Cultivate verb to break up the soil in preparation for new growth, to grow, to tend. I love these, the 2020 Power Sheets. Okay, so then you got 2020 goal ideas. And comparison isn't just the thief of joy, it's the thief of everything, which is so true. You are unique. Words that describe me, what I value, my best memories, I feel motivated when, how I feel about goals. I love the paper. It's super thick but smooth at the same time. The pages glide so easily along this coil. Has it been a long time since you felt like you were really living? That's so true. What fires me up? And then cultivated life evaluation. Break your identity box. Who I really am. Where were you 10 years ago? Where are you today? What has changed since then? I love this. So not only is this cultivating your goals and dreams, it's also helping to change who you are and make you a better person. Strong, brave, capable, creative, ready. I'm moving past fear. This has been totally revamped to 2020. Like I said, I have the 2019. I did a video on this 2019 Power Sheets. I will put a card up above and put it in the description box below so you can watch that and see the differences. Okay, good things that happen, challenges, lessons I learned, people I'm grateful for. Feel like life is flying by, the big picture. That was in the 2019. Dreams become decisions when you cultivate them. My legacy. Mark your threads, and then my cultivated year. Brainstorm your year ahead. So this is just like a picture of where you want to be a year from now. I'm saying no to. I'm saying yes to. I can't wait for Go Wild 2020, you guys. Choose a word of the year. So basically it says to choose one word and stick with it. And that is your word. And then why you chose the word you chose. Write your 2020 word in prominent places in your life. Put your word on a sticky note in your car. Put it on a note literally inside your fridge. I've done this, so helpful. Make it your computer, desktop, or phone lock screen. Write it anywhere and everywhere to remind yourself of where you are going. Name it, claim it, and let's get to cultivating it. Imagine it, your best year ever. So this is just like prep work. This is your prep work pages. And then you come to your goals. This is going to be a long, long video. Writing down your action plans. Okay, worksheet tips. That's what you go back and you use your prep pages in the beginning. This basically shows you how to plan out your goal pages. Goal 1, action plan. And then you break down your goal into 3 mini goals. That will help you to achieve your goals much faster. And then goal 2, same thing. You always break down your goals or even your tasks within your home. Break them down into mini goals. Like if you have, say, clean my kitchen, break it down into 3 mini tasks. Goal 3, this is the same all the way through until you get to goal 8. And you have your yearly overview, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So it's broken down into 3 months per quarter. So then we got January. So now we have the months. So you got your month on 2 pages. You have a quote, tendon tips, your tendon list, make what matters happen this month in review, the best things in life grow slowly. And now we're on to February. I really like this. There wasn't tabs, I don't believe. Yeah, see, they were blank in last year's. Like I said, I will put my video in the description box below. So you always have prepare well. Important to-dos. I'm excited for on my mind. I'm hopeful that. This is for the month of February. Same thing in January. Again, February, month on 2 pages. You have this long notes column and it's numbered. Make what matters happen this month. Tendon list, month in review. And then the same thing for every month.
So you got March, and then you got spring. I love this. You actually have seasons in between this. Oh my God. I am loving this new Power Sheets. Clear the clutter checklist.
Is coming. So this is all about clearing the clutter. Internet clutter, physical clutter, heart clutter, decision clutter. My social media mission statement. I believe after every 3 months, there's going to be a season with like a goal refresh to look back and see how far you come so far in the year. We're at April, May, June, and then you got summer. Okay, so then we got summer. You have your quote. These are heavy, sturdy, laminated tabs. Have a fruitful summer. Goal refresh. Health, friends, spouse, significant others, family, finances, spiritual, work, recreation. And then again, you have your goal refresh. Then you got July, August, September, fall. Again, you have your goal refresh. Same as every other season. But it's, if you notice, it's the same as every other season, but the first page is different every season. It's geared towards what season you're in. October, November, and then your last month, December. And then this just protects the back. After your month in review for December, celebrating 2020. And then the last page, you did it. I'm loving the colorfulness compared to the other Power Sheets. This is a sturdy cover and it has the gold hardware on the tips. This coil, like I said, is gold and beautiful and super smooth, and your pages glide so gently they don't get stuck. I am totally loving the brand new Goal Planner Power Sheets from Cultivate What Matters. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the brand new, totally revamped Goal Planner 2020 Power Sheets from Cultivate What Matters. I would love to hear in the comment section below. If I have any kind of coupons or discount codes, I will link them in the description box along with the link to get your very own Power Sheets if they're still available. This is the 1 year. There's also a 6-month Power Sheet. If you're skeptical and paying the money for the 1 year, you can get the 6-month to start out. Like I said, compared to 2019, you need to watch the video I made on the 2019 Power Sheets because it is totally, totally different. So all in all, I absolutely love this planner. Again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon. I'm going to do a plan with me, I think, for January to show you how I'm going to be using this and setting it up. I'm going to try to do a couple more videos on just the 2020 Power Sheets and how to use it. I know this can seem a little bit intimidating, so I'm going to break it down into months and do different kinds of plan with me's and give you guys tips on how to use the 2020 Cultivate What Matters Power Sheets. All right, everybody, have a great day.